In this short lecture, we will focus on a few terms that have different meanings when used in the context of programming, data analytics, or mathematics. The first one is variable. In mathematics, a variable is a symbol or a letter that stands for a number we don't know yet. Most often, X or Y will be the designated letters that substitute a certain value within an equation. Similarly, in data analytics as well as in economics, a variable is a characteristic or a quantity that may change its value over time under different circumstances. For instance, when looking at our table, we see that age varies among the different participants in the study. Age tells us how old the person was when she was absent from work. So, from this perspective, age is an independent or explanatory variable, as it helps us explain another variable, the hours for which a person was absent from work. Intuitively, the latter is measured by the value of the dependent variable, absenteeism time, in hours. Instead, in computer programming, a variable acts like a storage location which contains a certain amount of information. So, in our example, raw CSV data is a variable containing an entire data set. So, you see, in the world of programming, variable does not stand for something completely different from its meaning in mathematics or data analytics. And still, one might get confused when they hear the word variable, as it may refer to the values of the age column from our data frame or to the whole data frame, called DF. To reduce confusion, the data science community calls the variables used in a data analytics context features, attributes, or inputs. That's why we suggest you get used to this distinction from now on. For example, we can call age a feature and raw CSV data a variable. All right. Other instances of a potential confusion may stem from the functionality of such mathematical terms like a vector or a matrix, since in Python both should predominantly be thought of as arrays. As a matter of fact, you have a better example right before your eyes. This is the raw data table if you are speaking in the context of data analytics, while in Pythonic, the same structure is called a data frame. Anyway, the list with multiple meaning terms is longer. So, what you must take from this lecture is the awareness that a term you understand well in the context of data analytics or mathematics may appear to be used in a slightly different way while programming, and vice versa. Throughout this course, we promise to leave you with no ambiguous meanings of words that bear distinct meanings in the world of programming as opposed to the rest of the disciplines. In the next video, we will introduce you to the analysis that is going to be performed in this exercise. See you there.